In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Notebooklm to make money. Start by opening your browser and going to the Notebooklm website. Once you are on the homepage, sign in if needed, and you will land on your dashboard. This is the main place where you manage your notebooks, sources, and generated outputs. Next, create a fresh workspace by clicking the button that says Create New on the dashboard. Think of a notebook as a project folder. For example, you might build one notebook per video topic, per client, or per content series. Keeping topics separated makes your answers cleaner and faster to use later. Now it is time to upload your sources. In the pop-up window, choose the type of source you want to add, such as PDFs, YouTube links, or files from your cloud drive. These sources will populate the source panel on the left side. The quality of your results depends on the quality of what you upload, so pick material that is relevant and reliable. If you are using YouTube links, focus on videos that match the niche you want to create content around. After your sources load, move to the chat panel in the center. Type a clear question about your sources, and Notebooklm will generate answers that include clickable citations. Those citations are important because they let you verify where each point came from, and they also help you stay accurate when you turn the ideas into content. To use this for earning money, keep your questions focused on producing YouTube-ready material. Ask for video outlines, key takeaways, hooks, titles, timestamps to reference, or a summary of the most useful points from each source. Stay specific, and you will get more usable responses. When you are ready to turn your research into deliverables, go to the Studio panel on the right. Click Audio Overview, Slide Deck, or Video Overview to generate instant outputs. These can speed up production for content you publish or assets you deliver as part of a service. Finally, whenever you get a strong answer, click Save to Note to store it. This builds a reusable library inside the notebook, so you can pull ideas, scripts, and summaries quickly without repeating work. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.